cancer drug has now been discovered and currently on its clinical trials to human subjects. This could be very expensive, and I'm wondering if everyone can afford it. If early signs of cancer can be diagnosed or detected, then this can be prevented. One best way is to eat natural foods that are medically tested to stop spreading cancerous cells. These are 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, including salmon, mackerel, and anchovies, is rich in essential nutrients, such as vitamin B, potassium, and omega-3 fatty acids. One study found that people whose diets were high in freshwater fish had a 54% lower risk for colorectal cancer than those low in freshwater fish. Another study found that consumption of fish oil later in life has links to significantly lower risk for prostate cancer. Finally, a study following more than 68,000 people found that people who consumed fish oil supplements at least 4 times a week were 62% less likely to develop colon cancer than those who did not. 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, cauliflower, and kale, contain beneficial nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese. Cruciferous vegetables also contain sulforaphane, a plant compound with anti-cancer properties. One study shows that sulforaphane significantly inhibits cancer cell growth and stimulates cell death in colon cancer cells. Another study shows that sulforaphane in combination with genistein, a compound in soybeans, can significantly inhibit breast cancer tumor development and size. Sulforaphane also inhibits histone deacetylase, an enzyme with links to cancer development. One review recommends 3 to 5 servings of cruciferous vegetables per week for the best cancer preventive effects. 3. Carrots. Carrots contain high amounts of beta-carotene, which may prevent certain types of cancer. Carrots contain several essential nutrients including vitamin K, vitamin A, and antioxidants. Carrots also contain high amounts of beta-carotene, which is responsible for the distinct orange color. Recent studies reveal that beta-carotene plays a vital role in supporting the immune system and may prevent certain types of cancer. A review of 8 studies shows that beta-carotene has links to a reduction in the risk of breast and prostate cancer. Another analysis shows that higher consumption of carrots results in a 26% lower risk of developing stomach cancer. 4. Berries. Berries are rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fibers. Scientists have shown a lot of interest in berries due to their antioxidant properties and potential health benefits. One study shows that anthocyanin, which is a compound in blackberries, lowers biomarkers for colon cancer. Another study demonstrates that the anti-inflammatory effects of blueberries can prevent the growth of breast cancer tumors in mice. 5. Apples. The phrase, "an apple a day keeps the doctor away," is actually true. Apples contain polyphenols that have promising anti-cancer properties. Apples contain anti-cancer properties that may also help prevent inflammation, cardiovascular disease, and infections. Polyphenols are plant-based compounds that may prevent inflammation, cardiovascular disease, and infections. Some research suggests that polyphenols possess anti-cancer and tumor-fighting properties. For example, the polyphenol fluoridin inhibits a protein called glucose transporter 2, GLUT2, plays a role in advanced stage cell growth in certain types of cancer. The Journal of Food and Drug Analysis published a study in 2018 showing that apple fluoridin significantly inhibits the growth of breast cancer cells, while not affecting normal cells. 6. Walnuts. Walnuts contain a substance called pedunculogen, which the body metabolizes into urolithins. Urolithins are compounds that bind to estrogen receptors and may play a role in preventing breast cancer. In one animal study, mice receiving whole walnuts and walnut oil had higher levels of tumor-suppressing genes than the mice receiving vegetable oil. According to the American Institute for Cancer Research, all nuts exhibit cancer-preventing properties, but scientists have studied walnuts more than other types of nut. And finally, 7. Legumes. Legumes are high in fiber, which may help lower a person's risk of developing cancer. Legumes, such as beans, peas, and lentils, are high in fiber, which may help lower a person's risk of developing cancer. One meta-analysis of 14 studies show an association between higher legume consumption and lower risk of colorectal cancer. Another study examines the relationship between the intake of bean fiber and the risk of breast cancer. The study results indicate that people who ate diets high in bean fiber were 20% less likely to develop breast cancer than those who did not meet their daily fiber intake. So, if you learned something new today, then give this video a like and share it with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe so you will be notified of the next helpful video. Remember to always go first for natural remedies of healing and for a low-cost healthy living.